Welcome to TechUnboxPro, your trusted destination for the latest smartphone unboxings, reviews, and tech updates. In today's video, we are taking a deep look at the brand new Infinix 70 Pro 5G, one of the most powerful and stylish budget 5G smartphones available right now. If you are searching for a phone that delivers premium features at an affordable price, then this video is going to be extremely helpful for you. Starting with the design, the Infinix 70 Pro 5G looks surprisingly premium. The back panel has a modern glossy finish with a clean camera module that gives it a flagship feel. The phone is slim, lightweight, and comfortable to hold in the hand, making it perfect for long usage. Infinix has really focused on making this phone look expensive, even though it is placed in the budget category. Now let's talk about the display. The Infinix 70 Pro 5G comes with a large AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, which means you get super smooth scrolling, better animations, and an overall very fluid user experience. Watching YouTube videos, Netflix, or playing games feels amazing because the colors are vibrant, the brightness is strong, and the viewing angles are excellent. In terms of performance, the Infinix 70 Pro 5G is powered by a capable 5G processor that handles daily tasks very easily. Whether you are using social media apps, browsing the internet, multitasking, or switching between apps, everything feels fast and smooth. For gaming lovers, this phone performs really well in popular games like PUBG, Call of Duty, and BGMI. You can play on medium to high settings without major lag, which is impressive for a budget smartphone. Now, the biggest highlight of this phone is definitely the camera. The Infinix 70 Pro 5G features a massive 200-megapixel AI main camera, which is very rare in this price range. The camera captures sharp, detailed, and colorful photos in good lighting conditions. Portrait mode works well with natural background blur, and night mode helps in low-light photography. For video recording, you can shoot high-quality videos that are perfect for YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. On the front, the selfie camera is also quite good. It produces clear selfies with good skin tones, and video calling quality is decent. If you are a content creator or love taking photos for social media, the camera setup of Infinix 70 Pro 5G will definitely satisfy you. Coming to the battery, the phone packs a large 5,000 mAh battery, which easily lasts a full day with normal to heavy usage. You can watch videos, play games, and use social media without worrying about charging again and again. The fast charging support is another big plus, as it charges the phone quickly and saves a lot of time. In terms of software, the Infinix 70 Pro 5G runs on the latest Android version with Infinix's custom UI. The interface is clean, smooth, and packed with useful features. You also get 5G connectivity, which means faster internet speeds, better streaming quality, and improved online gaming experience. So overall, the Infinix 70 Pro 5G is a complete package. You get a premium design, AMOLED 120Hz display, powerful performance, a massive 200-megapixel camera, long battery life, and 5G support, all at a budget-friendly price. If you are looking for the best 5G smartphone under budget, then Infinix 70 Pro 5G is definitely one of the top choices in 2026. If this video helped you, make sure to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to TechUnboxPro for more daily smartphone reviews and unboxings. Stay connected, and I'll see you in the next one.